Hello students, welcome to SI's YouTube channel. This is Manesh Rajput, your maths teacher. Yes, in last my video we have seen some basic concepts regarding the algebraic expressions, and today also we are going to see a part 2 of the same topic, that is algebraic expression. Clear? So in today's topic what we are going to see here, we are going to see algebraic expression in one variable, in two variable, what are the terms, what are the coefficients, and all that things we are going to see. So here we see, now the very simple thing is that what do you mean by one variable? One variables. The algebraic expression is with one variable. It's very, you can just suppose I am just writing here some examples, that is 4x plus 5. Clear? One more example here is 8x square plus 9. Clear? So if we are just observing the variables, only one variable here we have used, x, here is an x square. It's not compulsory, you can use any other letter also, like 4m plus 8. Clear? Here also we have used here one variable. So such a kind of expressions are called as, logically you can say that only one variable we are using here. So we can say here it is one variable algebraic expressions. Fine? Okay, this likely same wise, what do you mean by two variables algebraic expression? So very simple is that we have to use any two variables. So yes, we'll just take any example, suppose 4m plus 7z. Clear? One more example, if we are taking here 8y square plus 7x. Now here m and z, we have used here two variables in only one expression. Fine? Here also we have used here y square and x. So two different variable we are using in the one algebraic expression. Such expressions are called as two variables algebraic expression. As a name itself is saying that what do you mean by one variable and two variable. It was very simple topic that we have covered. Then the next one is terms. Now again, terms means what? The numbers. Now for suppose I am just repeating the same example here, 4x plus 5. I have taken the same example. So in this example, what are the terms? Clear? Very simple thing. Here 4x is the term and 5 is the another term. Means how many terms are here? Two terms. Clear? 4x plus 5. And if we can take one more example here, suppose 7y plus 8z plus 9. How many terms are here? 1, 2 and 3. 3 terms are here. Clear? Okay. Then next topic is factors. Now what are the factors? I am taking here same example. With the same example I would like to explain what are the factor exactly. Here what is our example? Here 4x plus 5. Now here it is 4x. It is nothing but what? 4 multiplied x. These are the factor of 5. Sorry, 4x. Clear? Same as this is in 5. 5 is nothing but what? 5 multiplied 1. Again, this is the factor of 5. Here, yes, you can say now 7y plus 8z plus 9. Same example, I am just continue to explain the factor also. So what will be the factor of 7y? But obvious, 7 multiplied by y. Here the factors of 8z, 8 multiplied by z. And what will the factor of 9? Yes, 9 multiplied by 1. So these are the terms we have seen and factors we have seen. Clear? So in this algebraic expression part 2 we have seen what do you mean by one variable algebraic expression. Very simple thing is that only one variable we are using there. Two variables in the expression we are using two variables. Then terms how many terms are there that you can identify by observing the expressions. And the last one is the factors. Yes, from the 7th grade from the 6th one we know about the factors, but factors and and operational mathematical operation we have used here together, so such are called as the factors. So here we'll see what do you mean by like term, unlike term, and how we will add, subtract and multiplication of the. Now we'll see what do you mean by coefficient, constant and binomial, monomials and polynomials. So first of all we'll see what do you mean by constant. Clear? Now we will just again take some example. Yes, 4x square plus 7. Clear? Now here if we are just saying here the number 7, this is what constant. Constant means what? The value will not change, those value will not change. Such numbers are called as what? Constant number. Yes, one more example we can take. If I am writing only the 15, this is also what? Constant numbers. Fine? Okay. So next one is coefficient. Now coefficient, the same example I am just writing here continuously. So 4x square plus 7. Now here 4 is what? Is the coefficient. Is the coefficient of x square, and yes, 7 is what? Constant. Clear? Suppose now for this example no coefficients are there. Here is the only term which is what? Constant. So in this example no coefficients are there. Yes, but obvious from this what we can say that the coefficient will, we can say when coefficients and variable, constant term and variable, if you are writing together, then we'll get two things. One is the coefficient and another one it's variable. And if we are writing the numbers alonely, then it is what? Constant over here. Fine? Okay. Then the one more example, suppose I want to take here negative z plus 8. Now yes, here will be the coefficient. What coefficient will be here? Negative 1. As we know that if any single number is there, then suppose there is, we are just considering this 8. What are the factors of 8? 8 multiplied by 1. Clear? Here factors of z multiplied by negative 1. Clear? So here negative 1 is what? Coefficient, and z is nothing but what? Variables. Fine? Okay. So here we have seen what do you mean by constant term. Clear? Then what do you mean by coefficient? Now the next one, if we are just observing these examples, what we will see here? See here how many terms here we have used. We know the terms means how many terms are here? 4x square plus 7. It means that two terms are here. Here only one terms are here, and here also two terms. Clear? If I am just taking one example, suppose L plus M plus N. Clear? So how many terms are here? 3 terms. Here are 2 terms. Here are only 1 term. Here are again 2 terms, and here 3 terms. So according to their terms, our expressions is going to divide as per their terms. So if 2 terms are there, then this is nothing but what? Binomial. Binomials. Understood? Now here single term is what? Then it is what? Monomial. And if more than 2 terms, it is nothing but what? Polynomials. Fine? Again I am repeating here one more time. If in our expression 2 terms are there, then we called it binomial. If 1 term is there, then we'll call it monomials. And yes, if 3 terms, more than 2 terms, it means that it might be a 4 terms, 5 times, 6 terms. Such a kind of terms are called as polynomials. Fine. So here we have seen what do you mean by constant, what do you mean by coefficient, and binomial, monomial and polynomial. Is that clear? Okay.